Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the core prerequisites. Verify each Microsoft account email and add a phone if prompted so you can recover access quickly. Next, install or update Microsoft Edge and the Microsoft apps you'll use. Make sure cookies and site data are enabled. Once done, decide how you'll separate identities, browser profiles, separate app accounts, or another device, because that choice determines the next configuration steps and avoids cookie conflicts. Now create isolated environments. Open Edge and add separate profiles. Give each a clear name and color so you don't mix identities. Sign in to one Microsoft account per profile and enable only the sync features you need. Avoid syncing passwords across accounts if you want separation. If you must reuse a single profile, sign out fully and clear site cookies between accounts. This prevents session bleed. Make sure mobile app logins mirror the profile strategy for consistent behavior. Finish by performing the actual reward actions from each isolated profile. Run searches, use the daily sets, and confirm each account's points balance updates separately. Make sure to use private tabs only for quick checks and not as your main method, because saved sessions can confuse which account is active. If something goes wrong, clear the browser cache and cookies, re-authenticate the affected account, or create a fresh profile. That usually resolves session conflicts and restores normal reward tracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.